Once plugged in, the unit begins cooling, and the control panel is locked. And the display shows the set temperature. Press and hold the light unlock button for more than 3 seconds to unlock the control panel. After unlocking the control panel, press the temperature unit button to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Press the increase button to raise the set temperature. The set temperature can be adjusted up to 50 Fahrenheit. Press the decrease button to lower the set temperature. The set temperature can be adjusted down to 21 Fahrenheit. After adjustment, wait 5 seconds to save the setting automatically. Or press any button other than increase or decrease button to save it immediately. After a period of inactivity, the control panel will lock automatically. To unlock the control panel again, press and hold the light and lock button for more than 3 seconds. Once unlocked, press the light and lock button to turn the interior light on or off. After unlocking the control panel, press and hold the increase button for more than 5 seconds to display the actual internal temperature. Release the button, and the display will return to the set temperature. You can also press and hold the decrease button for more than 5 seconds to display the actual internal temperature. Release the button, and the display will return to the set temperature. Press and hold the temperature unit button for more than 6 seconds to start the automatic defrost cycle. The display will show the FF indicator. The defrost cycle will run for 90 minutes, after which the unit will automatically resume its previous cooling operation. To cancel the defrost cycle early, first unlock the control panel, then press and hold the temperature unit button for more than 3 seconds. The display will return to the set temperature, and the unit will resume its previous cooling operation. To adjust the shelf, pull it straight out. Align both sides of the shelf with the slots at the desired height, and slide it straight in.